All right, this is just, let's get started. This is just a quick video on how we can sell off crypto assets. Now, why would you want to sell? Either you bought some crypto asset, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and probably it has made some gains. You've made some gains. Let's say you bought at 40 grand per BTC and it's now 42, which is the current price now. And you want to sell off, you've made gains, 2,000 gains, depending on price movement and the amount you got in with. So you want to sell off. So that's one reason why you want to sell off. Another reason could be maybe you just want to get off at this point. You just want to sell off and get out of your position of that particular token or crypto, and you just want to sell off, probably sell off to stablecoin, Tether, or BUSD, whichever one. So that's another reason why you want to sell off. So, but basically we just go through. It's very simple. Now, if you look at this is your home page. If you log into your Binance account, especially if you're on advanced, this is what you should have. Okay, nothing too fancy here. Underneath you have home market. Okay, underneath you do have your home here. You have your market, you have your trades, you have futures, and then you have wallets. Okay, what you want to do, okay, is go to market. You want to go to market. Okay, you want to go to market, and here market you see of different pairs. Now this is my favorite. This is my account, my Binance wallet app. So you have my favorites. Now the favorites are the tokens or the token pairs that I prefer or I'm looking at. So yours will be quite different from mine. So what you want to do is to search for the particular pair or the particular token you want to buy or you want to sell. This video will be basically for selling. I'm going to focus on selling, but it's about the same process. So let's say you want to sell Ethereum. You got Ethereum, you got it at, let's say 2.5 and it's currently trading at 2.9. And you want to sell off. First thing you're going to do, okay, already on my own favorite pairs here, I already have Ethereum USDT, which is the third one, as you can see here. But for, let's say, you don't have Ethereum, I'm going to do this, explain this like I'm explaining to someone that doesn't have Ethereum here and doesn't know where to search, where to find it. So you just come to your search bar on the top here. You have a search bar right here. You just tap on it and then you want to tap on ETH. Okay. Now, once you do that, it's going, all the Ethereum pairs, ETH pairs will pop up, just as you've seen here. You have BNB, ETH, ETH USDT, ETH BUSD, Binance Stablecoin, ETH Trust USD. So ETH Euro and so on and so forth. So you want to actually go to the particular pair. Remember, it's a pair. So you have ETH. I'm sure in our position or in your position, you want to go to ETH USDT, which is Tether, or ETH BUSD, depending on where you want to sell out to. Remember, the pairs are what you're dealing with. So if you want to, if you're dealing with Euro and you want to sell your ETH, you go to ETH EUR, which is here. So for the moment, for the case, for the essence of this lecture, let's just use ETH USDT. So you click on that. So that should take you to the chart of ETH USDT. Okay, this is a chart. Okay, these are indicators. Forget about all this. We're just going to focus on underneath what we have here. You have your buy, you have your sell. So let's say we want to sell our ETH. So you click on the sell, you tap on the sell button. Okay, now this brings you to the sell order. Okay, now you have all this, nothing too fancy, nothing to get too confused about. Now the only thing you need to do here, okay, you want to sell, you come to, don't touch any other thing, just come to amount here, amount, and then tap on it and enter the amount of ETH you want to sell, the amount of Ethereum. Let's say you want to sell 1 Ethereum. You tap 1, immediately you tap, automatically it populates, okay, gives you the amount in USDT that you're going to get, okay? And then you click on sell. Now I can do that, but as you can see, I do not have any Ethereum with me, but that's how basically simple how you sell. Okay, you put the amount there. Let's say you want to sell 0.05 Ethereum. You put it there, and then it populates what you're going to get in USDT or what you're going to get in dollar. Okay, and then you just tap on sell. That's it. You put your sell. That's your sell order. Okay, so let's go through it again. You come. Let's go back. Let's go back